already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
This recipe was inspired by Food Wishes.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today we're making meatball stuffed sliders. I'm going to start off with the Beyond Meat burgers. I'll add both of them to the bowl. Then I'll add some sauteed peppers and onions. I'm going to mix this with my hand until it all comes together. Then I'll roll these into the shape of a meatball. Then I'll place each meatball into a mini muffin pan. The mixture will make around 9 meatballs. When I'm done forming the meatballs, I take them and put them in the oven for 20 minutes on 350. I have here about 9 dinner rolls. Just cut them open, then pop the tops out of each one. Now I'm going to take some vegan cheese and shred it into each opening. Remove the meatballs from the oven and place them on top as well. Now I'm going to add marinara sauce to the top of each one of the meatballs. Pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then I turn the broil on to melt the cheese for 5 minutes, and you're done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.